Good morning and welcome back to our PNW Adventures.
Hello.
From
Arizona.
Sunny Arizona.
It's not raining.
It's about that time in the PNW where we need some vitamin D, some actual sunshine and warmth.
Yep.
So we decided to take a little trip for our wedding anniversary.
3 years, baby.
And head down to Arizona.
Yeah. Saguaro.
We are in Saguaro National Park. This is our 8th national park of the year and our final one for the year.
Yeah.
And it is so beautiful so far. There's like so many saguaro cacti.
Yeah.
I think that there's like over 2 million in, because it's kind of divided into two separate parks, the west and the east. We're on the west side and the Red Hills side. So we are going to go on King Canyon Trail.
Yeah, it's about a 2.5 mile hike. Not that bad, 400 feet.
No.
Let's go see some cacti. We're going to do this hike and then we're going to head on that way and do a couple other things, see some petroglyphs.
Ooh.
Yeah. So,
I think
gonna
I
be a
read
great
on
day.
the sign this was like an old mining road.
Sure as heck looks like it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay, we got contender number 1 for our funnest cacti arms. It's the backhand to the younger saguaro. So we're gonna pick the top winner of our most interesting saguaro at the end of this video. But put in the comments which one was your favorite, because there's some pretty funny ones out there.
Whoosh.
All right, we found our next candidate for an awesome saguaro. We're gonna call this the minion. It's got a little eyeball, but then he's got his little hand raised like me, 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 me.
Ah.
Clown cacti. Oh, I like that one. That one's cool. Got a little nose on him.
All right, time for a little cacti facti. Get it? Cactus facts.
Wow.
All right, so the saguaro cactuses grow from a seed in the ground. So seeds come off, they go under the brush and all of that, and then they grow up. So you've got your cactus that are smaller. So if you like pan around, there's one right here. So you've got your shorter cactus. So those are your younger cacti, sorry. Your younger cacti that don't have arms. So those ones could be, I don't know, 10, 20 years old or something like that. And the saguaro cacti can live up to 200 years old. They can weigh over 70 tons, grow as tall as a 4-story building. And it's about when they hit 75 years of age that they start growing their arms. So like this one right behind us is starting to sprout its little arm. And so we know this one is probably at least 75 years old, if not older. So the ones without arms are the ones that are younger than 75 years old. So there's your cacti facti.
All right, we got hungover cactus. He's just drooping all over the place, man. He just had way too many margaritas. Holy moly.
This is the Gould Mine, and it was one of the more successful mines in the history of the Tucson Mountains, even though it failed to produce an abundance of mineral wealth. So it dates back to 1906 when S.H. Gould created his own mining company, the Gould Copper Mining. They filed 19 claims in the Tucson Mountains between 1906 and 1911. The company ended its speculative practices in 1911 after having only acquired 45,000 pounds of copper. Several years later, the company went bankrupt because the cost of mining outweighed the compensation.
Do it. Come on, it's for YouTube. Strong bridge, lady. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right, we found our next candidate. It's the magician, the saw the lady in half trick. All right, this one we've got a skeleton. All the skin came off and it's dead. That's so crazy. Cool.
All right, here's one more.
The octopus.
Yep.
It's got so many arms.
That's awesome.
That's so cool.
Octopus.
All right, so we finished with our awesome hike. Oh my gosh, that was so good.
Yeah, that was awesome.
About 3 miles. Yeah. I think my watch said 700 feet in elevation, but I think it was more like 4. Yeah. But it was so cool, and all the saguaro cacti are so different, and it's fun trying to like see what they remind you of.
Yeah, right.
It's fun. But we are actually on the Bajada Loop, and so it's like a 5-mile round trip drive that you can do, and at first it's a 2-way and then it goes into a 1-way road, so it has little stops along. So we are going to go
Valley View.
Valley
View Trail, and then
do a little walk.
After this we're going to go around and go to Signal Hill and see some Petroglyphs.
Yes.
But
we got a new
here we go. Here's another one. What's that one look like?
Beaker from the Muppets. Me. That really should be the octopus. We're gonna scrap the other octopus, and this is the new octopus. Because I like how the arms are kind of like. We are here at Signal Hill. It is our last stop in Saguaro National Park. We're gonna go check out some petroglyphs that the Native Americans left behind way before we were ever here. The rock art found within Saguaro National Park was created by the prehistoric Hohokam people. They may have pecked these petroglyphs more than 1,000 years ago while hunting and gathering on expeditions. As we discover more about these petroglyphs, we develop a better understanding of the Hohokam culture. At Saguaro National Park, many expressions of rock art known as petroglyphs were pecked into stones. We do not know what these petroglyphs mean. They could have religious or ceremonial significance. They may be solstice markers, clan symbols, decorative motifs, or simply ancient graffiti. Petroglyphs at Signal Hill conform to the distinctive Hohokam style. In Tucson, abstract designs outnumber life forms at most sites. Human stick figures, game animals, dogs, lizards, snakes, and geometric shapes are frequently portrayed. Spirals and designs with circles are quite common and often part of elaborate meander or net designs. Simple Hohokam stick figures contrast with filled-in bodies typical of Anansi petroglyphs, which we saw at Petrified National Forest when we were here last year. Right. Well, that does it for our time in Saguaro National Park.
Amazing.
Wow, it is so beautiful and highly recommend coming in the wintertime because hardly any people here.
Look at this.
And
freaking white boy out. Dang.
It's so beautiful, but we are on the west side, the Red Hill area. There is the east side as well. The Rincon Mountains, which they have longer hikes and also like overnight backpacking hikes you can do. Not a lot of short hikes like here on the west side.
That'd be fun.
But we had a great time doing some shorter hikes. That one hike we did earlier today, the 3 miles, was absolutely beautiful.
It was perfect.
It was perfect to spend a couple hours here doing a few short hikes.
Just coming from Phoenix. It's a great day.
Awesome, amazing time. And now we have to pick a winner.
All right, go for it.
I kind of have a tie. Jesus. The clown and the octopus.
Okay.
Those are my two favorites.
I think I got a tie too.
Oh.
Beaker and the clown.
And the clown. So that means the clown won, obviously.
Yeah, you got 2 votes. Pick yours. Let us know in the comments.
Let us know in the comments. It was
so
fun.
I mean, it just opens up like, oh, what does that look like?
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Know your role and your mouth.
Oh man, we're overlanding now.
What? We're off-roading.
Where's the beast?
It's a rental.
Where's the beast?
All right, we've arrived at our next
Valley View. Okay, cut the last. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect picture right now.
This is just perfect picture. Stand by, everybody. Stand by.
Stand by.